everyone!
Hi guys!
Hey, so we are on the road right now. We're in Pennsylvania.
About 3.5 hours from the Stewart Airport.
And yesterday we drove about 12 hours. So we didn't document any of that because it was really boring roads. But we'll show you the trip from here on out. And we had to say goodbye to our dog yesterday.
It was very sad.
Very sad. I got some footage of that. So here's us being sad, saying goodbye to Easton.
Buddy. I'm not gonna see us for a while, okay? You tried. Valiant effort.
Bye, buddy. I love you. You are my sunshine. And now we drive. The interstate.
It only took 16.5 hours.
So we made it through security. We're at the airport.
Very, very tired.
Yeah, it's been a long 2 days. Matt's already looking for movies to watch on the tablet. We can download movies on Netflix and on Amazon Prime. So we can watch while we're waiting. We still have 2 hours before we board and 3 hours before we leave.
Then we get to look forward to 3 days of rain in Bergen, Norway. Yay!
The rainiest city in Europe. Like, there's definitely rain. It's 100% chance every single day we're gonna be there. It's gonna be fun. We have rain jackets, we have warm clothes. So the coldest place we go for a long time is the first place we go. Get it out of the way. We made it. It's a little cold.
A little chilly.
We're walking in Norway.
We're going to get our bags, but I just think it's so cool that they have the signs in English too. So not only is it in Norwegian.
I would not know what the hell bagasjava means.
So I have this thing where I tell Matt to say words that are on like street signs of really weird city names or like lake names or river names. And I said, I'm gonna have a lot of fun in Europe with you saying names, so I'm gonna hopefully show a lot of that. Go, go, go!
It's a little chilly.
Whew. I like it. What? We had to go into a deli to buy our tickets for the light rail to get to Bergen, and there's things right there. They made me talk to people. Rude. Matt's probably the only person in Norway that's in a t-shirt and a ball cap. You're so American. I'm in a ball cap too, but at least I'm properly dressed. Do you feel better?
So much better.
Now you look the part.
Yeah.
Update on the train. We have no idea where we're going.
Absolutely no idea.
No idea. We just
had the choice for Bergen loop time
for that one
or for Biparken.
or this one. So we're just assuming that this is the one we get onto. But hey, it's an adventure. Let's see what happens. So we did the right thing. You can see up here. Nanasetter is where we gotta get off. And it's the second to last stop, so it's gonna be a while.